structural isomers or conformations. The relative study of stability between different conformations is referred as conformational analysis. Every conformational analysis is based on magnitude of strain or discomfort associated with the structural isomer for the given organic molecule. There are 5 different types of strains. First is van der Waals strain, second transannular strain, third is Pitzer or torsional strain, fourth is bond apposition strain, and the fifth is Engel strain, that is also known as Bayer strain. So let's talk about the van der Waals strain. Every atom in a molecule has an effective radius around it with respect to other atoms with which it is not bonded. This radius is referred as van der Waals radius. If the two such type of atoms are oriented so close to each other that the distance between them becomes less than the sum of van der Waals radii, they start repelling each other. This force of repulsion is referred as van der Waals strain. It is clear from the above discussion that the van der Waals strain will be high in magnitude in case of those molecules which possess the overcrowding of atoms. Second is transannular strain. It is also a type of van der Waals strain exhibited by two different atoms or group of atoms which are actually placed far apart from each other but oriented in such a way that due to structural position they repel each other. Such repulsive interaction is known as transannular strain. For example, in trans 1,9-dimethylhexodecane, the two methyl groups are very close because of its cyclic structure, and that's why they start repelling each other. Next is Pitzer or torsional strain. Eclipsed conformation is found to be always less stable than corresponding staggered conformation. In eclipsed conformation, due to eclipsing interaction of different atom or group of atom, a strain is developed at the carbon atoms holding such groups. This type of strain is referred as Pitzer or torsional strain. For example, in case of ethane molecule, eclipsed conformation have hydrogen atoms very close to each other, and that's why there is strain formation over here. While in the staggered conformation, the hydrogen atoms are placed far away from each other. Thus, any deviation from the most stable staggered conformation of a molecule to the relative unstable eclipsed conformation introduces Pitzer or torsional strain in the molecule. Next is bond apposition strain. This is a type of strain or repulsive interaction exhibited by bonding pair of electrons, especially during eclipsed conformation of a molecule. Please note that Pitzer or torsional strain is because of the repulsion between the atoms, while bond opposition strain is the repulsion between the bonds. Here, the bonding pair of electrons in case of eclipsed form are closer than the staggered conformation. Thus, there will be more strain due to electron-electron repulsion. Engel strain or Bayer strain. This type of strain arises only in cyclic compounds. The saturated carbon atoms have the normal tetrahedral angle of 109.5 degrees. When these carbon atoms form a ring, there will be deformation of the bonds, and hence it results in a deviation from the normal tetrahedral angle. This causes the Engel strain. Bayer calculated the Engel strain by assuming that all the cycloalkane rings are planar. If you like this video, please click on the like button.